In the heart of a verdant forest lived a proud lion, a clever bear, and a sly fox. These three lived in harmony, or so it seemed. One sunny morning, a rumor rippled through the woods that a magnificent animal had arrived, unlike anything seen before. Fueled by curiosity, the lion, the bear, and the fox decided to investigate. They ventured together, each with their own thoughts and expectations. The lion imagined an animal that could contend him for the title of king. The bear, always dreaming of new games and challenges, hoped for an opponent in the tests of strength and cunning. The fox, renowned for her wit, wondered if a creature might rival her famed cleverness. Their quest led them deep into the valley, crossing babbling brooks and thick bramble patches. Finally, they found themselves in a sunlit glade where stood a creature so large and colorful it seemed to blend every animal's features into one. An elephant, with skin mirroring the sky at dusk, and eyes deep as the midnight sea. The lion growled softly, "I wonder what this creature has to offer." His golden mane shimmered as he approached. The bear grumbled, "Maybe it's strong enough for a friendly tussle." He lumbered forward with anticipation. The fox wisely sat back, her red fur catching the sun glow, pondering what intelligence lay beneath the creature's massive forehead. As they conversed, the elephant spoke gently, with a voice like thunder softened by the rain. "I come from afar," she said, swaying her trunk, "wise and old, I bring tales and wisdom from lands unknown." The lion was intrigued. "Share your tales and be part of our forest family," he proposed, realizing that power was not always the loudest roar. The bear nodded with glee. "Tell us about distant lands and we shall play together," he cheerfully added. The fox, nodding along, thought deeply as always. "Perhaps we can learn from each other," she suggested. So began a wonderful friendship, with each animal contributing what they were best at. The elephant shared her ancient stories, the lion offered protection and bravery, the bear brought fun and games, and the fox provided clever ideas and solutions for any trouble they encountered. The forest grew richer in knowledge and camaraderie, balanced by the strengths and wisdom of its varied members. Through time, they learned that despite their differences, working together brought them closer. Not only to each other but to the ever-changing world around them. And so, the lion, the bear, the fox, and their newfound friend, the elephant, became an inseparable band, sharing adventures and forging trails that others could only dream of.